Hey friends, welcome back. This is Loafy Boafy, and today we're going to be drawing a piranha plant. So I'm going to be using a marker, a piece of paper, and some pens to color. I'm going to start by putting a curved line at the top of the paper. This is going to be for the top of his head. And I'm going to go down a tiny bit more. And then I'm going to put another curved line here. This is going to be for his lips. They're going to go down like that. And that's going to go with the bottom line too. And it's going to go curve like that. And then I'm going to go all the way up to here. I'm going to curve back down. And there we have the piranha plant's lips. Next, what we're going to need to do is put in some teeth, because they have sharp teeth. So, go down. We're going to make a bunch of V's. So, 1, 2. I'm going to do like 4 on the top. Then like 3 on the bottom. Next, what I'm going to add is his tongue. And then I'm going to add some dots on the top of his head. And then I'm going to curve around like that. And up there. And then I'm going to do some more dots here. And one right here. And then I'm going to do 2 lines like that. And then I'm going to do another one. And then I'm going to do the pot that he's sitting in. So it's going to go like, it's going to be a line like that. It's going to curve. And it's going to curve on the side. It's going to curl around like that. And then I'm going to do the bottom of the pot. It's going to go down. 1, 2. And then it's going to be a curve. Well, it's more like a tube, but yeah. Then I'm going to do one of his leaves. It's going to go down. I'm going to do that up here. Next, what I want to do is I'm going to color it, because everything looks better when you color things. So I'm going to start with a nice light green and do a stem. Curl around. Then I'm going to do his leaves. I'm going to do his other leaf. It's going to be like that. And then I'm going to grab a bit of a darker green for his pot. It's going to go like this. It's going to go down. Curl. Like that. And then go down like that. And then I'm going to color it in. And I'm going to go up here and color that part in too. It's the brim of the tube. And then I'm going to grab a nice darkish red and do his head. Go around these dots. Make sure you don't color them in because they're supposed to be white. I mean, you could do it however you want, but I'm doing his head red and spots white. It would be really cool if you made the dots purple and his head white. And if ever you need to catch up, you can always pause the video and rewind. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a lighter red and do his tongue. It's more of an orange. Still works as a red. Go around like that, color in his tongue. Go around his tongue. Make sure you don't color in his teeth. And then I'm gonna grab a white and color in his teeth. Then I'm gonna do his lips because I got a bit of red in them. And then I'm gonna grab a gray and color in his mouth. Then over here. Next, what I'm gonna do is for the pot, I'm gonna grab a white and color some highlights. And then I'm going to go over it with my black. So it's gonna be like that. Then it's gonna go down and around. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a brown for this dirt. And there you go, you have your piranha plant. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Until next time, bye.